Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to delete your Tinder account but don't have the app installed anymore, or maybe you just prefer doing it from your computer. Well, I've got you covered with this super simple process. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Tinder website by typing tinder.com into the address bar. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whatever browser you prefer. Step 2. Log into your Tinder account using your email address and password, or use your phone number if that's your preferred login method. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it before proceeding. Step 3. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen, depending on which version of the site you're viewing. This opens your account settings and personal information. Step 4. Scroll down through your settings menu until you find the option that says Delete Account or Deactivate Account. You'll want to click on the Delete Account option specifically, as deactivating is temporary. Step 5. The system will ask you to confirm your decision because this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Review any final warnings, then click the Confirm Deletion button. Your account and all data associated with it will be removed from Tinder's servers. That's it, you're done.